everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many color combination toys here. All are serially parked. Wow friends, see, all are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive all of these toys one by one with my hand. At first is a cartoony police helicopter, so I will try this one at first. Wow friends, I parked here this police helicopter. This one is green paste and pink color combination. And next one is nice color combination, brand new police car here. So I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this police car. This one is black and white color combination. And next one is a flying horse. Wow, this one is mini flying horse, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this flying horse. This one is yellow and red color combination. There is a big size mixer truck here. I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is white, black and red color combination. Next one is a tourist bus. Wow, I will hand drive one now. Wow friends, I parked here this tourist bus. This one is yellow, black and silver color combination. And next one is a cartoony drum truck here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony drum truck. This one is pink paste and purple color combination. There is the last one is a big size fire truck here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this fire truck. This one is white, yellow and black color combination. So friends, all of my toy vehicles are hand drive and introduced with you. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.